Kani gadega Pyrthei TV, bat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Henne kasngi kasitarik unopra, kajalla Meghalaya ru Ryngkat Baroh Kawei ke Pyrthei, kala Rakhe ya ke World AIDS Day. Halor ke pang pedeng mentau senam ke baong, right to health. Bat kajing perta slogan My Health, My Right, ya ke bala pelong ha Aurobindo Institute of Indian Culture, Shillong. Hakani kajing Rakhe lai don langru ke chairperson yang ke Meghalaya State Commission for Protection of Child Rights ikong mina kharkangor nang tau additional chief secretary kajalla u PW ing TIS u bakhmi ro ekatanat health and family welfare jong ke sarkar jalla ke project director jong ke Meghalaya AIDS Control Society ikong L Lingdo ki khna skol lambat kiwe de. Hakani kasngi la samro iki khusnam shakito ki bala job hak jila ka bagje ko ba pero ki bala pelong haswa jong kani kasngi.
So World AIDS Day highlights the success of worldwide efforts to combat HIV/AIDS as well as the importance of continued support for these efforts. And this is a global health issue. Moreover, HIV, when we speak of HIV, people having HIV, that is not only enough. We have to look into people who, having HIV drug resistance group. There are many people who, after taking the treatment, they retreat or they stop the treatment. So this has become a very dangerous trend, and the World Health Organization has also focused on this issue, where the drug resistance is developing at a higher rate. So where people do not adhere to the prescribed treatment plan, then they often, because why? Because they do not have the access to quality HIV treatment and care. We need to ensure that people who start such treatments can stay on effective treatment to prevent the emergence of HIV drug resistance. This is really growing on the rise, and we need to create awareness on this particular issue. Therefore, awareness and support must be strengthened in every department and society at large, not to stigmatize and discriminate people who are living with HIV. We need to remove the myths of HIV from the minds of people. That we should create awareness, spread the awareness that HIV does not kill people, or it does not, transmit the disease from one person to another. So this is a very big task for each one of us, and it is also alarming to see the figures which was pointed out that our state has a lot of cases, and even children are affected with this virus. So a concerted effort must be committed to such people living by giving them love, support and quality treatment.
The party goes on, and let's see what happens next. Give me you, that's all I wanna do. And if I say you, every song I'm giving you. I can take my last love, guaranteed I can back it up. I can come up on your bluff. Hurry up, I'm asking now from. See me inside like, ooh, I love your style. See me inside like, ooh, I love your style. Give it to me, I'm worth it. Baby, I'm worth it. I'm worth it.
was so upset and depressed, blaming God why it happened to him. He cried and felt very bad about the situation. He was feeling very bad and depressed. At that moment, one of his friends, who was truthful and a true friend of his, met him on the way, and he saw his friend depressed and sad. With his strong willpower and his prayer and trust in God, he is able to live a happy life, even if he knew that the disease won't be cured. Thank you.